Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the new tricks in editing CapCut edit. So here the first thing you have to do is open your CapCut application, and you just need to go open the project that you have but you haven't finished it yet. Okay, here I already opened mine. Let's have a test first for the video. So today I would like to show you the new tricks to edit a video. I would like to have something moving. So just follow this instruction. Click the clip, and after that we need to add the keyframe. And now we need to find a mask. Just click the mask, and I would like to do a film strip. And now we just need to adjusting the mask here. I would like to make it smaller and little bit the gradation, and I would like to make it like diagonally like this here, put in the corner. And after you're done, you just need to move the clip. And after that you can just add another keyframe and move the frame, the mask. And after that, have a test. Okay, you can see like there is a camera moving, right? Have a proper test. There is a camera effect moving on this video. So that's all. That's the way how to edit like a pro on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.